boy Fa-Harra FB. Looking for my man right now, 9 Millie. He's supposed to be picking me up. We're gonna ride out, kick it today. I don't know where he at. I see him. There you go right there. 9 Millie. This car gonna hit me, ain't it? What's going on, Millie? Everything good?
Peace.
I see you in the beam. I see we beamed up. Big shots out. Big boy water judge. That's what I'm talking about. I got a half one in the house I gotta finish. You got me on it, man.
Yeah, man.
I watch your YouTube video about water.
I'm glad.
And I've been on it. Yeah, dude, I've been on it ever since, dude. I got like 2 big bottles in. And I got their brand too, cause you said it.
That's it.
Man, shouts out. This is my guy 9 Millie.
Peace, y'all.
Man, subscribe to my homie channel. His link will be in the description, man.
Please do.
Yeah, cause we gonna rock out today. I don't even know what we gonna do. We just gonna chill. We gonna kick it. He know about California. He know about San Diego. I'm new here. I met him, you know what I'm saying, on the grind. And we been rapping ever since.
Yeah, real shit.
Real. This is my first time really just kicking it with you, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, since we met. We
Yeah.
supposed to get together, and my schedule been crazy, man. I got a baby on the way. So.
Yeah, man. Congratulations too, man. I seen you and your girl going to the doctor and everything.
Yeah, we just had another doctor's appointment yesterday.
Yeah, man.
All is well.
Man, I appreciate you.
Yeah, let's get you out here, man. Let you see a little something.
I got you. And yo, I just my other SUV just got shipped yesterday.
Okay.
So it should be here Thursday.
Uh-oh.
So
now you really gonna be out here.
Oh yeah, we finna be out here. We finna be out here. We finna build, man. We finna make stuff happen, doc.
Which one you get shipped?
I had the i3 here. The electric room was already here.
Okay.
But I'm getting the X3. I got a BMW X3, the SUV.
Nice.
So that joint is like on the way right now.
Good shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Good shit.
Yeah. So we're gonna wrap it up. Like, we're gonna holler at y'all when we get to our destination, man. Y'all, you don't know how much I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, man. Shit. That's real. That's real. I got you. You told me, I see what type of time you was on. I was like, yo, I'm trying to be on that same time. let's link. Let's do something. So perfect timing.
Yeah,
perfect time.
I'll be grinding, bro.
Yeah,
I see you though. I see you though.
I see you. I see you. Was you subscribers before I met you? This was about a month ago or so? I met you?
Yeah, it was October. No, it was October.
Okay.
It was somewhere in October.
Okay. So we met in October, and what you was like right under 1,000 subscribers.
Right.
Right under.
Right.
And then, like, I don't know, I want to say the next week, it seemed like you was up there. I'm like, oh, my man working, boy. Yeah, that's peace.
But I told you, I said, I'm going to start taking it serious.
You sure
You know what I'm saying? I said, I'm going to start taking it serious, man. And ever since then, and the thing is, this not like the only thing I do. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. By the way, let me go wrap you up. Hey, yo, y'all know me, man. Y'all know I give. And this brother, he helped me out when I first got here, y'all. Like, real talk. He actually I ain't gonna say that. But bruh, I got you.
Oh, that's peace.
Hey, that's a part of my clothing brand.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
What's the name of the clothing brand?
That's Fa-Harra Black. You know what I'm saying?
Fa-Harra Black.
Yeah, it's a Fa-Harra Black brand. Like my brand is called Fa-Harra Co.
Okay.
But
shit.
He good.
It's all good.
But my brand is called Fa-Harra Co. But I hooked up with a graphic design artist named Friday Black.
Okay.
And he a tattoo artist as well. So this our clothing, this our brand together.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I want to bless you with that, bro, for, you know what I'm saying, being a dope individual, rocking with your boy. I ain't even got the actual tag in there yet. That's how new it is. Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't popping tags, I'm popping bags. Fuck you in.
Real quick.
Nah, I'm in the world. Let's fuck you in. Let's
yeah, man, but I want you to touch you with that, man. You know what I'm saying? For rocking with me, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I ain't even put that straight off of press, bro. I ain't even put a tag in it yet, man. So yeah, but y'all already know.
Appreciate that.
Everything is already on the .com. Go check out the world, check out the stuff. And I'm rocking my homeboy lifestyle too. I'm rocking his pants today. You know what I'm saying? If you seen my YouTube video when I went to the store talking to the dude, that's my guy Gary. This is his own store lifestyle.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And I've been rocking with it for years, man. And this is brand, lifestyle brand. So it's like the only thing I wear is I wear people around me. I wear their clothes, and I wear independent brands.
Yeah, I'm pretty much the same way, man. I try and wear, like, my pops got his own clothing line.
I gotta get some.
Yeah, he Throttle Arm. We bikers. We ride motorcycles all day, every day.
I got you.
I crashed my baby, so you see what I'm in.
Hey, but you want something nice though.
Yeah, I mean, it could be worse. It could be worse, you feel me? But yeah, we bikers, man. So we got that clothing line. We got a couple friends that got tattoo shops, so I'll be wearing their shit.
Gotcha.
A couple gyms. My homeboy, we could take you down there too. Probably
down.
not today.
Whenever.
It's what, New Year's Eve. But yeah, I'll take you down there, show you his gym. Yeah, his clothing line is called Game Bread.
That's the business.
One of my fighter homies. Brothers, I should say, man. We punch each other in the face a lot.
Hey, that's the business, man. Hey, that's them love tap.
Yeah. Iron sharpen iron, you feel me?
I feel you. But I want all that. Yeah, I want all that. You know what I'm saying? Even when it comes to shoes, man, like I wear big baller brand shoes.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? LaMelo Ball, you know.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like this independent brand.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Like I got my own shoes on today. I got my shoes coming out.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to show them to you, man.
Yeah,
you know.
I'm about to see that.
Yeah. I'm gonna show them to you, man.
My cousin just dropped the line too, man. I forgot about it. I just forgot about it. I need to go out to Vegas. He out in Vegas. We all from Chicago, but he out in Vegas now doing his thing. He just dropped his dropped a couple shoes for his own line.
That's the being. Like yeah. That's the thing is like I need to be up with them people. Like with you, I need to be up with you. I need to be up with what they doing, cause man, we need to promote each other. We gotta get out here and promote each other, man.
We can definitely do it.
Oh man, you riding though.
We can
you really that thing.
You bullshitting people, man.
dude, kind of off subject. Yeah. These are the worst drives I've ever experienced, bro. I ain't never experienced nothing like this.
I ain't a man.
Like I'm from Memphis, bro.
You know, and it's worse the closer you get down to that motherfucking portal.
Man,
the closer you get to TJ.
Dude, I ain't.
You wanna pull your hair out?
I ain't never experienced nothing like this. Like, like where I'm from, it's bad, bro. Yeah, like for real, it's bad.
Yeah. So, I got family out in Memphis too, man. My little sister, peace out.
Oh, big shots.
I'm gonna slide this up to my little sister and shit.
Hey, that's a big hope she tune in. You know
yeah, she will.
All day.
She sure will. I told her about you. But now that we linking, I know she really gonna watch. You know
for sure, man. Cause I need the in-town love for sure. But our drivers can't drive. But here, dude, they getting their license at 13. And here's something, man, because this ain't even realistic, dude. When I'm going through on the interstate, I'm just glad I got the electric car. When I push on it, it go.
Yeah, right away.
Well, I probably been in so many wrecks, bro, if I ain't had that car.
Yeah, on real.
Like real talk. But we gonna get to. I got something else for you too, man. Man, just pick whatever, pick all the colors, bro. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact,
I definitely we
finna get our screen. We finna get our screen. I'm hit y'all back in a minute.
Pick.
Right, so we riding right now. Is this music right here? Is this something natural? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I was saying if it's somebody you know, we can play it.
Nope.
You okay?
Turn that off. Look, I always be doing that to myself too. Like, damn, I gotta go and redo that whole shoot.
Don't get them strikes. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
All right, so where we at right now? Right. I'm saying everywhere I go beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It is pretty. Right now we're in North Park.
Alright.
North Park, San Diego. It's a little section of the city. It used to be really run down and shit. And it's been a lot of investors that came in and cleaned it up, man. A lot more bars. There's a lot of bars on this whole street. This will be on 30th.
Okay,
There's bars and restaurants all up and down here. A lot of these restaurants turn into bars. A lot of these restaurants have bars in them and they turn into clubs at night.
Oh, that's dope.
You know what I mean?
That's dope. Cause I gotta get into it. I gotta get back into the music scene too. This is Lincoln Avenue right now.
Lincoln at 30th.
Lincoln at 30th. I don't know, man. What's it with these folks riding these bikes, man?
Yeah, man. That's the hipster shit. That's San Diego, man. It's the city living out here.
Bro, but I'm saying, man, they in the street. They in the street, bro.
Yeah,
like in the turn lane. Really.
Yeah, it's they get a ticket for being on the sidewalk.
What? Yeah,
man. They get tickets out here, G. They give you a jaywalking ticket out here.
Man. Hey, look at homie right there though. Hey, y'all see homie right there? Oh, that man. What was that brands on his?
My man got a Confederate hat on.
I see.
It's like he fought for the Union.
That man got some leather pants, bro. The boots.
He got chaps on.
He got chaps on. Golly.
Damn motorcycle. War.
it ain't even no cowboy club around.
That's no part for you though.
Hey, he probably getting that street money though. You know what I'm saying?
So you get that North Park sign.
Where's that?
Oh shit, get the glasses. We'll come back around.
Oh, I see it right there.
Yeah.
But these people standing in front of it. Hey, yo, this is a fly area, man. People out today.
Yeah, that's why I brought you over here.
So this is, what's the day? Tuesday?
Today is
Tuesday, right?
Yeah, yep. Today Tuesday.
And people out like weekend.
Well, it is. You know, it's
Oh, this right here about our work today. Yeah. New Year's Eve.
Yeah, New Year's Eve.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
It don't usually be this. This how I be on the weekends.
Okay.
On the weekends it's like this.
I got some people that told me I gotta hit Little Italy on Friday.
Why, it's cracking or something?
They told me Little Italy cracking. You know what I'm saying? A lot of vendors be out too.
Okay. Yeah, I know they got the street fair and the farmers markets out there that I heard them live.
Okay, yeah, because a lot of people that I know that's in the branding and stuff like that, they told me I need to go to Little Italy on the weekend between like 3 and 5, and they have all the vendors out selling their stuff, you know,
Okay.
and stuff like that.
I didn't even know.
Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna end up scoping it out, the car again, and see what it is, and probably set up shop. You know what I'm saying? Sit up and put my stuff out there, and stuff like that. You know, just my hats, jogging suits, t-shirts, stuff like that. Give away rubber bands. You know, just to get the brand out there, man. Rockin' folk, yeah. Hey, dude, it's not a bad looking place in this whole city, bro.
I can take you to the hood, but it wouldn't even really look like the hood shit, but not by my standards.
Like for real, like by my standards, like.
No,
like,
I've been to Memphis Hills too, shit.
Yeah, this is beautiful, bro.
Yeah, on the real.
Like for real. So the hood here, man, cause I had my homeboy ask me about the hood. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I was like, a lot of people telling me like Chula Vista, somewhere in Chula Vista, like this kind of like.
Chula Vista, you know, it's kind of its little moments, got its little sections and shit. It's his own city. That's not San Diego.
Yeah.
So overall, it's nice. I mean, there's a lot of Mexicans down there.
Yeah, cause that's going lower towards the border too.
Towards the border, yeah. A lot of Mexican gangs and shit down there.
Are they real?
But,
they legit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, anybody that's out here trying to get some money and hungry, you already know what it is.
Okay.
And a lot of these gangs, I won't say a lot of them, probably all of them, shit, 90% of these motherfuckers, the Mexican gangs at least, are linked up with the cartels and shit. So
got to be more careful.
Yeah, so that's where they getting their shit from. That's how the cartels move their shit. You know what I mean?
Man, that's crazy, man.
So here go that North Park sign coming up.
Oh, this is right here. Go that way south, see that. Oh, this dope.
West Coast, this is called the restaurant. This is the observatory where they got all the concerts and shit. So they got the concert.
Okay.
Yeah, they always got somebody coming on there.
Cool.
Big names and shit too.
Okay, because I ain't been seeing a lot of this since I've been here. It's like everybody have to go to LA.
Yeah, for the most part, everybody go to LA because they go bang on you. They go, cops ain't no joke, man.
Man, I hollered at my homeboy Frazier boy. You know what I'm saying?
Frazier Beezy.
Yeah, I hollered at him, and he told me he gonna be down here soon. So what the thing is, me personally, I want to hit some bars probably during the day or something. Somewhere with a stage. They'll probably let me put something together or bring some artists here. Or
I got one. I'll show you one right now.
Okay, cool. Because that's what I need to do.
I got two actually. We just passed one over there on 30th.
Okay.
It's called The Office. It's on camera, so you can look that up.
Okay.
It's called The Office. I know the manager over there. I know they be doing different shit. They got a little stage. Sundays they got a reggae night.
Oh yeah, I need to. We got hit that. Yeah, we gotta go there. We gotta hit that.
Yeah, so they got a little stage right here. I don't know if I know anybody still work here or not, but it's called U31. They got a stage. I know a couple of my homeboys that are DJs and shit. They probably got some plugs.
I'm with it, cause the thing is, man,
U31
like
right here.
Okay, U31, Cocktail Lounge. That's big there, man. Like we need to set something up with them. You know what I'm saying? Set up a meeting or something like that. Because listen, if they already got something popping, I would like to bring some artists in. You know what I'm saying? That's already on something that's going on. Yeah. But until I get the creator up here, the people get to know what I do, and before I throw my own show.
I dig it.
You know what I'm saying? Or if it's like a bar that already got people in it, just looking for some people to perform. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Like, that'll be crazy though for what I'm doing. Like, I know artists like me and my people I vision this, we travel doing music. So we got artists and touch bases pretty much a lot of places we go. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
That's love shit. That's love.
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do, man.
It's a lot of potential for that.
I'm with it.
It's a lot of potential for that.
If y'all ain't got no home for hip hop, no place for hip hop on a regular, that's what I'm here for. If y'all ain't got it, I want to create it for the hop. You know what I'm saying? For the poets. You know what I'm saying? For the like for the R&B singers. Like that's what I want. Yeah. But I've been throwing events since 09.
So basically, you just need a venue.
That's it. I need the venue, but the thing is, for me to get cool with the people that's already doing it, let me rock out at your spot first so you can see what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if you have to, shit, you really may not have to. You may have to go in and talk to the owners or the managers of the spots and be like, let me get a night to prove to you or whatever. Maybe not take no money or something before you start negotiating for cheese, but you may not have to jump on nobody else shit.
Hey, listen, if they work, that's why I want to do, because that's the end game anyway. You know what I'm saying? To be rocking my own show. Because I host shows, man. Yeah. Actually, my award has been sitting in the car. I actually got an award in Memphis for Best Activist Host of the Year. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I went there to get my award because I went on here and moved here, but they had the award show. So my award coming in my whip, man. So when I do that, I'm going to do a video on my award and thanking everybody that been rocking with me and thanking the Martins and Stone Awards for blessing me with something crazy dope like that. But that's what I want to do, man, here. It's like, the thing is, like I said, I don't know nobody. So my promotion got to be on 10. I got to get out here and meet these people. See, that's why I said I need to go to the places to get in the rubber band and stuff so they can know who I am, know what I'm doing, go to my .com, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? Know who I am so the artist should be like, yeah, can I rock on your show? Ain't no charge to rock on my show. Like, yeah, come on. That's what you do? Bam. Bring instrumental. You do 3 songs. Bam. That's it. That's how we do it in Memphis, man. It's hip hop show going on at least 3 or 4 times a week in Memphis. Like for real. Yeah. Like every week, you got somewhere to go. Even during the week, open mics during the week. You know what I'm saying?
I was hungry, shit, you're hustling.
Man, shouts out to Paul Tut, DJ Johnny Blaze. Shouts out to Stefan. Shout out to everybody that's rocking in Memphis on their music stuff. That's out the city. Like Paul Tut, dude ain't never in town. Like he from Memphis, but he over the Alabama Hip Hop Awards. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? like that kind of stuff, man. Like
plugged up. Yeah,
so we getting to here, man. So shouts out to Miscellaneous, man. Big shouts out to Miscellaneous, man. I just talked to you. Hope we get some stuff. Shouts out to Frazier, Tommy Wright III. I see you, boy, doing your thing, man. My homeboy Tommy Wright, man. He like from the Fairley area, man. He been rocking since the early 90s, man. And he getting it on there, man. Dude all overseas, bro. Like for real. But we gonna ride with y'all when we get to the destination.